Hey guys, today we're at our new location, our showroom and office at 2123 South Business Drive, Sheboygan, Wisconsin. Come on with me and take a tour. So guys, the first thing you're probably gonna see when you walk in is you're gonna see that guy right there that just high-fived. His name is Sam, greeted with a smile. Second thing you're gonna see is all month in November, right now, currently, it's Nacho Day, okay? It's Nacho Day, it's free nachos. Come on in, grab some nachos, check out the showroom, okay? Secondly, we're not your average roofers around here, so you'll get it. So look at the sign. Guys, this is call this our community wall right here. It's different things that we do for the community or have done in the community and things that we've been a part of in the community. So this also we call it our garage area. It's kind of our hangout with all our samples, all our merch, and all different things, community stuff that's happening. We have our samples, all sorts of window samples, siding samples, roofing samples. We got some window samples here. We have the main showroom area. If we walk around here, I just had a customer here looking at windows today, so I didn't clean this up yet. She was just here. But we have 4 different window manufacturers represented on this wall. So there's a lot of different options, anywhere from wood grain like this to just white on white, or even painted on the back. You can see you can fully operate these windows. We designed it so that the customer in mind, so that you guys can actually come in, operate the windows and see what you can actually make a good selection, right? We also have a whole siding wall of different siding options. We made this wall specifically so that a customer can come in and actually see what it looks like and feel it and touch it, and if you really wanted to, you could taste it. So everything from a composite siding to vinyl to we have some rustic cedar options here as well, and engineered wood siding that's pre-finished with 15-year or 30-year paint warranties. Over here again, we have our sample board for one of our vinyl siding. This is our employee of the month, employee choice of the month, where we have one of our employees select a certain color that they really like, and then we have that up on the board for us to look at. You can see, guys, I want to let you know that you can come in, you can take these right here. You can take them home, you can keep them. We have plenty of them. We designed this with the customer in mind so that you can come on in, take some samples just like at the box store where you're looking at paint and stuff like that. You can just take it home and put it up and check it out outside. So right here we have our employee wall for all our office staff, the people, and there's that guy right there. Again, Sam, wave Sam, hi Sam. Hey. My favorite part of this, well, this is a nice area here too that we designed so that customers, you can come in, you can just sit down, you can relax. We really want people to have the comfortable feeling of not like overly stressed out about making a purchase, but rather sit down, take your time, make a wise selection, don't rush into anything. We're not high pressure. We're more service oriented. So we just appreciate if anybody would come in and talk to us. So over here, before we get to this part, we also have, this is like our design center. This whole area right here, we call the design center. So you have some pre-finished engineered wood products here, sample boards on the wall. And also again, you can come on in. We made these specifically for the customer in mind. You can take these, it tells you what style it is or what color it is. Timberland suede, this one is. You can take these home. You can see what ones you like, what fits you. If you're a coffee drinker, we do have some coffee available here. We can make you a latte. We can give you, you can have a drink here. You can just sit down. I had a lady come in the other day. She's 85 years old. She just sat there drinking her coffee and talking to us about her project. You know, that's kind of what we're looking for. And here's one of our favorite areas in the whole entire showroom. We call it our design center again, so customer design center. So right here is where we're gonna help you make selections if you need the help. We'd like to sit down. We'd love you to come in, sit down. We pull up your home, the pictures of your home on our software, And then we can upload them into our visualizers. We have 3 or 4 different visualizers, so we can change the siding on your layout of your house. You can change the colors, you can change the roofing, sometimes you can change trims. We can do all sorts of different things to give you many different renderings and options, because we know that it's hard to make selections off of little chips and paint chips and wood chips and different things and siding chips, and we'll bring it home and like putting it against your house. This way you can see what your actual house would look like with those colors on it. Like right here, we got some pictures of some different things that we designed. You can see it's the same house, just has different options. These are different houses here. So, but yeah, we really like to do that. We really would like to be a service to the community, have people come in, take a look at the stuff, sit down, have a cup of coffee in our complimentary coffee and soft drink bar. And yeah, that's kind of really the whole flow of the showroom area. So back over here, we have our conference area. We have our office staff conferences here every week. And then we have, our smart board that we use for scheduling and projects and just other various trainings and teachings, and some offices back there. So, and some office guys working. So these are the guys that are making it happen out there. So yeah, so we'd love to see you. Stop by and visit 2123 South Business Drive, Sheboygan, Wisconsin. We thank you so much. We'll see you soon.